Hey guys, I'm having a little cold, but yeah, you can if you want to go ahead and change like the dark mode on. If you want to enable dark mode on Slack, it's pretty easy. You click on Slack on your phone, you click on it, and then once you open your workspace, you go ahead and on the left side, you click on your workspace, right on the up top corner and in the left. You go ahead and go on preferences, right? It's a pretty easy step. The next thing you know, you gotta go on color mode. You click on color mode and it should say always light, always dark. But in this case, since we want to enable the dark mode, I'll go ahead and click that and voila, look at that. Now your Slack mode is pretty dark. It's really, really good for your eyes if you want to save some eye battery for yourself. And that is how you can change or enable dark mode on your Slack. And guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. That helps me rank more faster on YouTube and be more helpful to other people on my channel as well. Until then, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Y'all take it easy till then.